The aircraft cargo compartment is a dedicated area within an aircraft used for transporting passenger baggage, cargo, mail, and other freight. Located below the passenger cabin in most commercial airliners, the cargo compartment plays a vital role in airline operations and contributes significantly to airline revenue. Modern aircraft cargo compartments are designed with advanced safety systems, efficient loading mechanisms, and environmental controls to ensure the secure transportation of goods and luggage. What is an aircraft cargo compartment? An aircraft cargo compartment, also known as the cargo hold or baggage compartment, is the section of an aircraft where cargo and passenger luggage are stored during flight. Its primary functions include carrying passenger baggage, transporting commercial freight, carrying mail and parcels, supporting special cargo, such as live animals and medical supplies, maintaining aircraft balance and weight distribution. Main types of aircraft cargo compartments: forward cargo compartment, located beneath the front section of the passenger cabin. Uses: passenger baggage priority cargo express shipments. Aft cargo compartment, located behind the wing area and below the rear cabin. Uses: checked luggage, general cargo, mail, and freight. Bulk cargo compartment, a smaller compartment used for manually loaded items. Uses: oversized baggage, sports equipment, wheelchairs, live animals. Cargo compartment layout: a typical aircraft cargo hold includes cargo floor, a reinforced floor designed to support heavy loads. Cargo nets and locks used to secure cargo and prevent movement during flight. Roller system allows cargo containers to be moved efficiently inside the hold. Cargo doors, large external doors used for loading and unloading. Lighting system provides visibility for ground crews during loading operations. Cargo containers, ULDS. Most large commercial aircraft use unit load devices, ULDS. Benefits of ULDS: faster loading and unloading, improved cargo security, better weight distribution, reduced handling damage. Common ULD types include LD3 containers, LD7 containers. Cargo pallets, refrigerated containers. Cargo compartment safety features: safety is critical in aircraft cargo operations. Smoke detection system, sensors continuously monitor for smoke and fire. Fire suppression system, automatic fire extinguishing systems, protect the compartment during flight. Fire-resistant liners. Cargo compartment walls are lined with fire-resistant materials. Ventilation system controls temperature and airflow while preventing hazardous conditions. Cargo loading process. Ground crews follow strict procedures. Inspect cargo compartment, verify cargo documentation, load baggage and freight. Secure cargo using locks and restraints. Check weight and balance. Close and secure cargo doors. Complete final inspection. Proper loading ensures aircraft stability and safety. Importance of weight and balance. The cargo compartment significantly affects aircraft performance. Incorrect loading can result in poor aircraft handling, increased fuel consumption, reduced stability. Safety risks during takeoff and landing. Pilots and load planners carefully calculate cargo distribution before every flight. Interesting facts: passenger aircraft often carry both passengers and commercial freight. Cargo revenue can account for a significant portion of airline profits. Some widebody aircraft can carry dozens of cargo containers. Dedicated cargo aircraft have larger cargo compartments than passenger jets. Modern cargo holds include sophisticated fire detection and suppression systems. The aircraft cargo compartment is one of the most important yet least visible parts of an aircraft. It safely transports baggage, freight, mail, and special cargo while helping maintain proper aircraft balance. Equipped with advanced loading systems, fire protection equipment, and cargo restraints, the cargo compartment ensures efficient and safe operations on every flight. Understanding the cargo compartment provides valuable insight into how modern aircraft transport not only passengers, but also millions of tons of cargo around the world each year. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your aviation knowledge and pilot training skills, download the Pilot Training app from the Google Play Store. The app link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.